7 plus ChatGPT money-making tips. How to make money with ChatGPT in 2023. ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence-driven language processing tool that has gained widespread popularity for creating human-like responses to text. The AI tool is continuing to evolve, and a lot of people are exploring ways to benefit from it financially. Tips to making money through ChatGPT. 1. Content creation. To begin with, you can use ChatGPT to make money through its most basic service, writing. ChatGPT has gained popularity for helping individuals and businesses benefit from the power of AI for content creation purposes. The AI tool uses natural language processing techniques to generate high-quality text-based content like articles, product descriptions, blogs, and more. Doing so will ensure that ChatGPT creates content as per your quality standards and requirements. 2. Use its translation services. The next one in line for how to make money with ChatGPT is its translation service. You can use ChatGPT as an excellent translation tool for making money. 3. Design a voice assistant. Another way you can use ChatGPT to make money is by using its voice assistant services. You can create a customized voice assistant that can perform several types of tasks. The voice assistant will help you in your business by performing tasks like completing transactions, offering appropriate product recommendations, and answering customer questions quickly. There are a few things you should keep in mind while implementing ChatGPT's voice assistant services. To begin with, you should choose the right language model for the assistant. Also, make certain that you train the assistant depending on your specific requirements and ensure that you improve and update it regularly based on user feedback. 4. Create a chatbot. A different option to make money with ChatGPT is by utilizing it to create chatbots. ChatGPT offers chatbot services to enable businesses to majorly automate their customer support system and enhance the overall customer experience. You can train these chatbots to give prompt answers to frequently asked questions and offer seamless, personalized assistance to clients. 5. Monetize it using the research and development services. Fifth on our list of how to make money with ChatGPT is leveraging its research and development skills. Various businesses across different industries, like technology, finance, and healthcare, have started using ChatGPT to get accurate assistance for their research and development projects. ChatGPT can analyze vast amounts of data, understand patterns, and offer valuable insights. 6. Build a product or service. Another great way to make money with ChatGPT is to use it to build a product. The best part is that you can leverage ChatGPT services to build a website, service, or app without having to learn coding or programming. This AI tool can help you convert your ideas into profitable products or services by providing a step-by-step guide on how to go about the process. Ask ChatGPT questions about any ideas you may have and execute them to make money out of them. In addition to that, we recommend you get a ChatGPT Plus subscription to access its GPT-4 model. ChatGPT-4 is more accurate and efficient in generating code, finding errors, and overall performance. 7. Email affiliate marketing. Not sure how to make money with ChatGPT in email affiliate marketing? As a matter of fact, this is one of the easiest ways of using ChatGPT to make money. ChatGPT's NLP and machine learning (ML) capabilities make it an excellent tool for writing emails in ways that lure users into clicking on the links to buy a product or subscribe to services. You can use these email-generating capabilities to make money by adding affiliate links to the emails. You can do so by choosing an affiliate program like ConvertKit, Shopify, Amazon, and more. Then, you can build a solid email list revolving around your campaign's target audience. This way, you can leverage ChatGPT's capabilities to earn money using email affiliate marketing. 8. Get unique business ideas. Last but not least, you can use ChatGPT to churn out amazing unique business ideas for generating passive income. For instance, you can give ChatGPT relevant text prompts related to an idea you may have in mind and ask it for appropriate profit-making business ideas. ChatGPT may ask you specific questions to understand your field of expertise, challenges you have faced, interests, etc. Then, it will generate personalized business ideas to meet your expectations. What are you waiting for? This AI tool offers a range of money-making opportunities through its services, such as translation, voice assistant, chatbot, content creation, research and development, product building, email affiliate marketing, and unique business ideas. You can implement these tips and tricks to generate profit for yourself or your business. As ChatGPT continues to advance, ways to make money using this AI tool are also growing. You can explore and use these services to stay ahead of the competition and make the most of this smart AI tool. So, it's time to take advantage of these opportunities and move toward growth. Don't forget to sign up for our passive income newsletter. We'll send you new passive income news each week to your inbox. Plus, register for a chance to win a laptop each month at our website. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other passive income videos.